The math scheme from Choquant and Nostal. The quantitative aptitude related to CAT, CSAT, GATE, ESE, other related exams, all standard X mathematics. If 7m plus 2n divided by 7m minus 2n is equal to 5 by 3, find m by n and m square plus n square divided by m square minus n square. 7m plus 2n divided by 7m minus 2n, 5 by 3. Go for the comparator dividend rule. As per rule, modify 7m plus 2n plus 7m minus 2n divided by 7m plus 2n minus 7n minus 2n is equal to 5 plus 3 divided by 5 minus 3 is equal to 4. If you solve it, m by n is coming 8 by 7. Similarly, m square plus n square divided by m square minus n square, can take n square common. After coming, it is coming m plus m by m square minus by n square plus 1 divided by m square minus m square minus divided by n square minus 1. So you put m by n is equal to 8 by 7. Now put m by n this equation. The total your answer is coming 113 by 15. So m by n is equal to 8 by 7. M square plus n square divided by m square minus n square is equal to 113 113 by 15. Completed.